Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Today, I'm going to show you how my crypto trading bots are actually set up on 3COMMAS using OKX. It's very interesting. Now, again, the market's all over the place at the moment, but I'm still continuing to trade and have remained consistent with this because, again, we're only a few weeks away from the upcoming Bitcoin halving. Things will start to pick up. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is 3COMMAS. Now, again, I use this software every single day and have been doing this for the last 11 months, and I've been using 3COMMAS for 2.5 years. And again, very, very bullish software right here. Now, coming over, again, you will need a subscription to this, of course. I'm using the Pro plan. As you can see right here, you can buy out the whole year and save 25% on that, which is unreal if you use my referral link below. But, you know, you can do the monthly as well, which is $76 a month. Very, very nice right there. The Pro plan is what I'm using. You don't need expert unless you like trading insane money. Which we all will be very soon. I am very positive about that, but the Pro plan is enough. This is well and truly sufficient. So it's up to you, monthly or annual plan. You can buy it the whole year. And now quickly coming over to the dashboard, which is on the left-hand side, scrolling down, you can see all of the supported exchanges. I'm using OKX. Now you can trade spot or futures. Bybit, again, spot or futures. And of course, Binance, you can trade spot, futures, and margin trading as well. So you get that additional margin trading option. So you can obviously borrow up cryptos, but please be careful with that. Now, obviously, you can use this on KuCoin, Binance, TR, Binance US, Bitfinex. You can use it on Coinbase, Advanced, Gate.io. There's a few exchanges right here again. Kraken as well. Most of these are spot market. I like trading with futures. That's Bybit and OKX. So again, OKX is going through some changes at the moment here in Australia. So just waiting for that one. That's on the 20th. So we'll see how we go with that. Anyway, once you've done that, ladies and gents, you come across to your preferred exchange and you will click the API key. So I'm going to, just as an example, click OKX. Once you've got an account signed up with KYC on OKX, you clicked connect, okay? That will connect your API key automatically. Back in the day, I'd say 2.5 years ago now, you used to have to do that manually, but it's fairly straightforward. Scrolling up right here, you've got many different options, okay? You have a signal bot, which again is bullish if you have a signal on TradingView. You will need an indicator, and I do have one in the Patreon, by the way, or you will alternatively need a Pro plan on TradingView as well, and whatever indicator you're using. I've done many videos on this. Go check it out. What I'm going to do today is essentially do a DCA bot. Now, this is the new trading platform here on 3COMMAS. You can see all my active deals, which is incredibly bullish as well. I've got a significant amount of bots, and to be quite honest, I've got 63 active bots at the moment, which is unreal right there again. So let me just close that pop-up again. So there is a lot of bots trading at the moment, both long and short. Now, what I want to do is click Superpower. All right, this is with leverage. So let's click Superpower. Okay, now, this is very interesting right here. Now, again, I prefer not to do the option here because the options are much easier and visible. So what I'm going to do is, and by the way, you can copy me in my Patreon. So let's go to DCA bot. Let's go to, for example, a long Ethereum bot. So what it's going to do is, I'd much prefer this classic option right here, but I'm going to go copy. So you can see exactly what I'm doing here. All right, then I'm going to go to edit settings. And I'm essentially going to be like I'm starting a new bot. Okay, so I'm going to do a Solana bot. So we're going to come down here. We're going to choose Ethereum. We're going to change that to Solana USDT swap. You can see that right there. Okay. Now, again, you can label this whatever you like. So I'm going to go Sol USDT 15X. Right. I'm going to come down here. Now, again, it presets the base order size. Now, again, this has gone up significantly, so you will need this kind of capital. which is annoying, but this is what happens in a bull market. Everything goes up. So again, I'm going to leave that like that. That's the base order. I'm going to leave it on a long position. Coming over here, guys, I'm going to leave it on limit order for this one, because the limit order is going to save you fees on the exchange. And of course, I want quote USDT. Leverage. Now, again, you can do whatever you like. I'm leaving it set to 15x. I do not recommend going higher than that. And to be quite honest with you, I do not recommend trading with leverage at all, because again, when there's massive market drops, you lose a significant amount of money. No question about that, all right? Now, coming down, there is a reinvest profit feature here. So again, if you make profits, it's just going to keep reinvesting that back into the bot. But again, I've left that off. I've got open new trade ASAP on my deals. You can use whatever indicator you want. Some of my bots have actually using the RSI indicator. You can use the ultimate oscillator. You can use Bollinger Bands, MA cross or moving average cross. You can use stochastic, MACD, parabolic SAR, which is incredible indicator, by the way. But I'm going to leave it on open trade ASAP because I want this thing starting to move. Right, coming down right here, take profit I've got to 1.5%. And the safety order size, I've left it the same. So it's already predetermined what it is. Now, coming in here, price deviation, I've left at 2%. These are my settings. Max active safety orders count, I've got 1 in the book at each time. I do not want 30 safety orders, because that's what I've got it set up here. I do not want 30 of these sitting in the books. That will just chew up so much money. You don't want that. Safety order volume scale is 1.05. I've left that on. And the safety order step scale I've set to 1. So these are the settings right here. Coming up here as well, you can see that the max safety order price deviation is set to 60%. So that means the market would have to correct 60%. I mean, that's a huge drop, right? I mean, Bitcoin would have to drop now. I believe it's $100,000 at the moment. That would need to drop, it's back down to 40,000 US or 40,000 Australian, which is just crazy. I doubt that's going to happen. Now, coming down right here, cool down between deals. You can maybe set this to 120 seconds, and that'll give some time for the bot to read the charts. And that is pretty much it. I do not leave anything else. I do not put stop losses on here because I'm extremely bullish and crazy, but you can do that if you wish. That's up to you. I'm not going to leave, but I'll show you right now. You can set a stop loss here at 65%. Close deal right here. And you can see the stop loss is a trailing right here. Stop loss placed, deal closed. So again, if the market drops 5%, again, that's 100% risk reduction, so it's going to cancel all your orders, all right? So you can set that if you wish. I just leave mine off, but that's up to you. Once we've done that, bang, we go start. And a pop-up should come up right here, bot turned on. Okay, now coming over to OKX, you can see my exchange. Here are all my active deals at the moment. I've currently got 100, sorry, my camera's a bit blurry at the moment, 109 open orders. And I do have the spot market bots trading at the moment, and open positions is currently 45. So again, this is trading for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. These bots are in profit at the moment, which is really nice as well. My Bitcoin USDT on 20x leverage is currently up at the moment, $7.46 USDT. So my estimated liquidation price is at 59,000 USDT. And Bitcoin's price at the moment is currently trading at 62,911. So again, significant drop. Now coming to the trading view charts, looking on the daily at the moment, the RSI indicator is on the way down, but it seems to be picking up here above the 40 line, I believe that is, sorry. So really, really nice to see that. It has been extremely volatile. These indicators are great, by the way. That's in the Patreon, my UT bot alerts. Go and look it up in the Patreon. You can see that would have made a significant gain. Now, just coming over to the measurement tool. Where are you? Right, so again, just as an example, let me zoom in here. All right, let me bring it up here on the charts. Coming up here for an example, let's just go measurement. When the signal was triggered, let's have a look here. So this particular indicator would have made, let's have a look here, 14.59%. So there you go. UT bot alerts does work, and you can use the signal indicator on, well, I should say the signal bot on 3COMMAS as well. So I've got videos on how to set that up. But anyway, that's it, bulls. Just wanted to show you guys how to do that. And this is how I'm able to trade the markets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So there you go. I just wanted to give you an update on that. Very, very bullish software. Hope you all enjoyed that. Again, it's taken me a long time to learn that and do it so quickly. A lot of trial and error, but extremely bullish software. I hope you all enjoy it. Please be careful with it. And of course, there are some regulatory changes coming to OKX. Everyone needs to bear that in mind. So definitely do your research. Make sure you don't go and invest in something stupid. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and be careful with the leverage, okay? I do not recommend trading with leverage. It can be extremely risky. But anyway, I'm out of here, bulls. I've got an incredibly bullish night tonight, which is going to be insane. I'll keep everyone posted. Make sure you enjoy yourselves. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso like I'm going to do now. Peace out, guys.